In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel chart as PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of just your chart, no extra cells, headers, or grid lines, perfect for reports, emails, and presentations. Start by selecting only the chart you want to export. Click once directly on the chart area. You'll know it's selected when you see a solid border with sizing handles around the chart, and chart-specific options appear in the ribbon. If you click the worksheet instead of the chart, Excel will try to include the entire sheet in the output, so take a second to confirm the chart itself is highlighted. If your chart sits on top of other shapes or text boxes, click carefully in the chart area or use the edge of the chart to select it. With the chart selected, go to the File menu in the top left corner of Excel. This takes you to the place where you manage your document, saving, sharing, and exporting. Choosing File first ensures you access the correct options for creating a new copy without changing your original workbook. Next, choose Save As. Save As tells Excel you want to create a separate file from this workbook, which is exactly what we need for a standalone PDF. This also lets you pick where the file goes and what it's called, keeping your PDF organized in the right folder. In the Save As window, change the file type to PDF. Look for the File Format drop-down or the Save As Type list and switch it from the default Excel format to PDF. PDF preserves your chart's layout, fonts, and colors, so it looks the same on any device. Because you selected the chart first, Excel will export just that chart to the PDF, rather than the whole worksheet. If the preview or result shows the entire sheet, cancel, make sure the chart is selected, and repeat these steps. Before finishing, choose a clear file name and location you'll remember. If you see quality options, standard is best for printing and presentations, while a smaller size can be fine for quick sharing. When you're ready, complete the Save As dialog as you normally would, and Excel will generate the PDF. That's it. Click the chart, go to File, choose Save As, and change the file type to PDF. You'll have a crisp, professional PDF of your chart in just a few moments, ready to share anywhere. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.